Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the measure units in the Roadtrippers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then at the preferences section, look for the units of measure button and click on that. And as you can see, you can set it for distance, length and weight, as well as for temperature. And you can also set the currency here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.